I am good. You are so smart. He is a teacher. She is my sister. They are very friendly. She is at home. I am always on time. The cake is delicious. You are the winner. We are on a tight schedule. They are students. The kids are at school. I am interested in art. The book is on the table. You are right. He is proud of you. She is a doctor. It is beautiful. We are happy. It is a sunny day. It is a lovely day. They are always together. I am so tired today. He is a good actor. It is time for bed. She is afraid of spiders. We are from Canada. I am so excited about this. William is my best friend. You are a good person.